Dr. Pellegrino, would you please join me on stage? Dr. Pellegrino, you have influenced the lives of many, the great and the small, the accomplished and the needy, the scholar and the patient. You have been generous with your time, your scholarship, your wisdom, and your virtuous life. You have addressed our conference many times before and will again this evening. No words can capture our deep appreciation, but nonetheless, we're going to try. I would like to read this plaque, and then I have a presentation. So, Dr. Pellegrino, in honor of your immense contribution, the Center for Bioethics and Human Dignity inaugurates the Edmund D. Pellegrino Special Collection in Medical Ethics and Philosophy. This collection recognizes your unique role in the field of bioethics and the virtuous practice of medicine, as well as the advancement of scholarship in Christian bioethics. Your work exploring enduring issues in the philosophy of medicine, the patient-physician relationship, and the application of Christian virtue to the practice of medicine will guide the acquisitions of this collection. A portion of the center's annual budget will be dedicated to procuring resources within the areas of moral theology, philosophy, and medical ethics that contribute to and continue the legacy of your life's work. With gratitude and appreciation from the Center for Bioethics and Human Dignity, inaugurated July 14th, 2011 at the 18th Annual Summer Conference on Bioethics. You want to open it up? And this is a presentation. They're symbolic of the first books to be in the inaugural collection. And these were inspired by you. The Aristotle, Nicomachean Ethics, and Hippocrates, Volume 1. And inside is the presentation statement, altered slightly to be appropriate for your enjoyment. But this will be housed in our library, which is in the process of being renovated and expanded, and so next summer we hope maybe to have an open house to display that. But there will be a special place in the library with this plaque, as well as a photograph of Dr. Pellegrino, and we will just continue to grow the collection year by year.